Yeah.
Right? Let me come
Yes.
on that.
Okay.
See here, that are the commands we will use to check the troubleshooting. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Next is Java to verify firewall.
Sir, I have a question here now. So
Mm-hmm.
I in an organization there could be many departments. Whereas when I was finding the DN base DN and bind DN, I just gave
Mm-hmm.
one user's name and I got the details. Remember this other command?
Yeah, we have created. See here, we have created one team is there. That team is our IT team. One team is our marketing team. Okay,
Yeah,
and I have one team is sales team is there. Right,
correct.
three teams
Yes.
are.
Yes.
So this inside that IT teams we have like just suppose we have 200 employees is there. Okay,
Yeah. Yeah.
and inside that marketing team we have like 300 employees are there.
Correct.
Okay, fine.
Yeah.
And then we all are coming and connected with our Palo Alto, right?
Yes.
Like this way. These
Yes.
all things is work by the system admin. This is the
Yes.
work of my system. I have given the name and they will use system admin of the company. They are using this all time. After that, inside the system admin, what is happening? They are creating the names in the IT. They are creating.
Yeah.
I have given the name to the marketing. Okay,
Yes.
fine. Then after then IT is coming and connecting with this one, and marketing
Mm-hmm.
is connecting with this one. So this is entirely different. This is entirely different.
Okay.
You understood my point?
So
This is
for
entirely
each department, I have to have a separate base DN. Is that what you mean?
if you have if the company is selling you, you have to go with a separate DN if according to again company's requirement.
Again, companies per.
And
Achha, okay. Hmm.
yeah, that is the clients to clients it is. If
Okay.
clients
Okay.
is telling that one DN also you can use because I shown you like you can
Yeah.
use that two there that is fine also. We can use that part also there.
Okay.
This
Okay.
is
Got it.
depends
Yeah.
upon your requirement.
Okay.
Fine.
Got it. Yes.
So let me come on that point. We have these two parts we'll use. After that, what happens to verify? You also find verify firewall connections. To the LDAP server and display. And display. What we will do, we have take the following points: username,
Mm-hmm.
our password, our IP address,
Yeah.
and
Port.
our phone.
Yeah.
Yeah, that are the things should be there.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So these are the two coming troubleshooting inside the Active Directory. Okay. And
Yeah.
then after, okay. The base TN, just let me tell you something more here. That are the parts history. TN. What is the base TN? Question is coming, what is the base TN? What is base TN? You should write for the base TN. The
Yeah.
base
Yeah.
TN is where the base TN is where the firewall starts
Yeah.
to set the directory structure. So search the directory structure. What is structure? Directory structure. I'm coming in that one.
Mm-hmm.
Directory structure. What is this tool? What is directory structure? Let me come here. The directory structure. Then you come on the AD Active Directory,
Mm-hmm.
Active Directory, where users and computers. Remember, no?
Yes.
Users and computers. You come in this section. After that, you are coming on like Saurabh.com, Saurabh.com or Preeti.com, anything
Yeah.
like this is the domain. After that, we are coming, we are opening this one. After that, what happened? We are base DM. This way it will go. If I am talking about this part,
Mm-hmm.
I am talking about this part. I'm putting here base DM, base DM. Okay. Inside
Yeah.
that, what happens? DC equal to here Saurabh dot
Mm-hmm.
dot and again DC equal to form or
Yeah.
organization, whatever form. Fine. So this
Yes.
is our and this is our other one. Correct.
Yes. Yes.
So this is our base DM, and that is the more point. The bind DM, this is base DM,
Mm-hmm.
and when we are coming on the bind DM, two things is there. This is our base DM. Okay.
Yeah.
When we are coming on the bind DM part, let me explain you what is bind DM.
Mm-hmm.
When we are coming on the bind DM part, the bind DM is the username. The bind username used to authenticate
Mm-hmm.
and perform. Perform. Okay,
Yeah.
these are the two differences between the base DL and bind DL. So in Active Directory, in AD Active Directory, a plain folder icon, a plain folder icon represents icon
Mm-hmm.
icon represents a container.
Mm-hmm.
This is called container,
Yeah.
that is CN, and a folder with image icon and a folder with image icon. Image icon represents, hello, are you there?
Hello. Yes, sir. Yes,
Represents,
sir. Yes, yes.
represents an OU, that is our organization.
Organization unit.
Okay, because
Yeah.
I put the CA class note, that's why I'm explaining this all part. Okay,
Okay. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
see here, units is there. Next, what we do, next troubleshooting is here. I explain this part. Next, we
Yeah.
should come here. Troubleshooting inside that. Troubleshooting, going depth. Okay, try to
Yes.
understand this. Troubleshoot at this point, very much important. How user bind DM.
Okay.
So what I'm writing, this is very much important.
Mm-hmm.
Assuming admin account in the user container,
Mm-hmm.
admin account in the users containers is very much fine there. Okay, users containers s container. The bind DN would be like the bind DN would be like this way,
Okay.
like Saurabh. Saurabh.com. Fine.
Yeah.
Here and you are coming, you are connecting to with the users also, right? I told you
Yes.
containers. So this is our domain. From here it will open. This is our domain. From here it will open.
Okay.
And after we'll come to so many things will come inside that folder and we are coming on the users.
Okay. Yeah.
Correct?
Yes.
One folder. After that, what happens? Saurabh, when you are coming, base in, I'm writing the base in here.
Yeah.
This is our user 19. I'm coming on the base DN.
Mm-hmm.
CN equal to admin. Admin. If it is correct like this, that means it is correct. Okay.
Okay.
CN will be admin, comma CN equal to users. This equal to I have here .com and here we have this equal to .com and this equal to maybe organization or something will be there. It should be come. Understood? So see how it will be represented like this way. If I'm talking about Saurabh, okay,
Yeah.
it will be come here users admin, users to users. Understood my
Mm-hmm.
point?
Yes.
This is one. And when we are coming to for this part, it will be come to on the DC of this one. Here it should be not .com. It is here Saurabh.
Okay.
Saurabh, and this is our .com.
.com. Hmm.
Fine. Like this
Yeah.
way, it is troubleshooting for you. Like users is also there inside that. Like this way, it will open. When you check the base name, or last
Yeah.
class we have created no base name.
Yeah.
Before the
Yes.
troubleshooting of the base name. Always remember this is very much important. Okay.
Yeah. So
So
last
here,
class we missed out one topic that was user identification, where user mapping we were not able to do it.
user mapping.
Yeah, when the server status was not showing itself. You showed
Yesterday
it.
only.
No. Last week we did it. Last Wednesday.
Okay,
You
give me
told
the
me.
troubleshooting. Send me the troubleshooting. I will check it.
Okay.
On the WhatsApp, send me. I will check the troubleshooting.
Yeah, okay, so no problem. I'll do that. Yeah.
See, like this way it will go. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So I explain you like this way it will go. Work on that.
Hmm.
This is my user bind DN. We have to work like this way it will go. That means my bind DN is working properly. Okay.
Okay.
So this thing should be like this way. You should check it out when you are providing the bind DNS
Mm-hmm.
base DN. Like this
Okay.
way it will access it correct. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. One more thing. Continue with this one.
Mm-hmm.
Troubleshooting. This is continue. I have given here bind DN would be like this.
Yeah.
Next, what it is telling you. Next, it is telling you. Assume. This is your question. Assume
Mm-hmm.
that Saurabh one
Mm-hmm.
account. Saurabh one account is in the organization unit. OU organization unit is
Mm-hmm.
to organization unit. Name of the organization unit.
Mm.
OU.
Mm.
Okay. And which is in turn is in the which is in turn. If I'm talking about organization unit, that means like sales department, marketing department.
Yeah.
Understood?
Yeah.
Clear, no? So
Yes.
which is in the turn is in the OU
Mm-hmm.
test.
Okay.
Like some is working in sales department,
Mm-hmm.
and we have to give the privilege in some other departments also.
Yeah.
You understood my point?
Yes.
Like kind of this question we come here. Assume that sort of one is one employee of the organization who is working in the just supposed to in the sales department, and we want he should participate in the marketing event. You understood?
Okay.
In the
Yeah.
marketing, that guy is working. That means
Mm-hmm.
he is supposed to handle the two departments inside the
Yes.
organization.
Yes.
Clear? So that question is come to the network team, and they have given to the architecture or like the deployment team. You should be deployed, and you should have to know about inside your troubleshooting. This is the
Yeah.
tickets you have, and you have to deploy this and work on that.
Okay.
Good. So
Yeah.
what we will do here is the question. Let me come on the solution for that. What we will do here, we have like I will Saurabh.com. Saurabh. What has happened here? Let me come to and then after from here, Saurabh, and then after I will need is to my that is our Saurabh one is there, one users is there, right?
Yes.
Saurabh one user is there. If I be open this user, if will be open Saurabh one user,
Yeah.
that means it will open the your Saurabh one will be working organization unit. Something is organization unit. I have given the support to the organization unit is my uh, Saurabh Saurabh test 2 kinds of that. This is
Mm.
organization unit. So what we will know how it is working. If I'm coming to write the base TN, if I have to check the base TN, according to base TN, if it is map, that means you are
Okay.
working for it. So how that base TN, it will you will get the base TN solution here. Base DN, you will get like this way. TN equal to any company's profile test one something is there that is depends upon like Saurav 1 is there, I have given here, right?
Yeah.
Saurav 1. Then after CA, if I come to the CN part, CN is mine this one. This one out. This one is my CN here. Saurav. Okay.
Yeah.
Then after we will come on the DC part. DC and DC. That DC becomes my Saurav .com. That
Okay.
means what you are getting. All things you can write here, explain here.
Yeah.
Like that. You understood?
Okay.
What you
Yes.
do that and all should go, and it will be closed with this one.
Okay.
Understood? If
Yes.
it is closing with this one, that means it is correct. Clear
Okay.
my point?
Yes.
And if it is closing with this one, Saurav.com, your domain name, and the
Yeah.
last one, that means your
It is correct.
that double setting is correct here.
Okay.
Understood my
Okay.
point?
Yes. Yes.
This part. Fine.
Yeah.
So let me finish close the class up to here. Okay.
Yeah.
And we will meet tomorrow some more
Tomorrow.
troubleshooting. Yeah, some more troubleshooting we will check tomorrow.
Okay. And I'll
Fine.
send you
Okay, call
the
for the
user mapping one also.
yeah, please. Okay.
Okay. Okay. No problem.
Okay. Fine.
Okay. Thank you.
So you
Bye.
try once again, and what you do, one thing, you try
Mm-hmm.
with HTTPS.
With
We
what?
have worked with HTTPS. I given
Okay.
any no here,
Yes. Yes.
any.
Okay. I'll try with
Remember
yes. Yes.
HTTPS you try.
Okay.
Because if
Fine.
I'll be use any, that means every services is coming on that.
Yeah.
So yeah. So what you do from your side, you have to try with either you should go with HTTPS, and one more is there. You will get there SNMP.
SNMP.
Understood my
Yeah.
point?
Yes. Yes.
Yeah, that three things is there. You try with these three features, and then after you can check from the server, it is how it is going, and then
Okay.
after we work on tomorrow. Right?
Okay. No problem. Okay.
Okay,
Thank
and
you.
then just you'll share just record.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, bye bye.
Okay.
Okay, bye
Thank
bye.
you.